check out this 2018 G3 17 Sportsman. It is about as close to new as you're going to get. The owners estimate 30 hours or less. Could not find a thing wrong with it. Has a Yamaha 90 horse 4-stroke SHO VMAX stainless prop. There was a spare aluminum prop in the boat. Barely used. Vinyl flooring. 2 fishing seats. We'll go inside here. Is rated for 4 passengers. Does have a Lowrance hook 4. Tilt steering. All your gauges there. Lots of storage everywhere. Rod locker. There's your spare prop. It's got a cooler in that little storage there. Minn Kota Edge 70-pound thrust trolley motor. 3 seats there. The one folds down if you want to step on it to get up on the rear fishing seat. Nice big live well. Honestly, doesn't look like it was ever used. There's 2 of these storages with the tackle boxes. And then in the back you have 3 batteries with a charger. We do offer financing. Stop in our Antioch SkipperBud's to see this beautiful boat. It does have a cover.